Test. What is going up, guys? So we are going to be doing a trade ideas review, my thoughts on it, what I think that they can improve, and what I think is phenomenal about it. Alright, so starting out, when I first logged in, I honestly was confused. I knew that Trade Ideas was one of the top of the line stock scanners here, but yeah, so normally, when I trade, I will have my Thinkorswim charts up, and I will throw my Trade Ideas scanners off to this side over here. Let's see if we can actually do it here. Let's go. I'm still getting, a little confused on how everything works here. But alright, so this is how it looks when I trade. I will have my gappers for the day, and that's where I will most likely send out this in the chat room here. Then right here I have the breaking out on volume scanner running. Here I have the low float movers, and I have the new high breakouts right here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be doing just a review of all of this, and in the future when I trade, I'm actually going to put this up on an external monitor or my laptop and actually stream it so you guys can get it. I did do a little bit of a test run today, so if you guys caught that and it helped you out in any way, great, but there's more to come. Alright, so pretty much, what all of these mean, this is just the gappers up more than 4%, are, up on this little, alert window. Then here, breaking out on volume. So if that's, say, let's pull up one that had some type of volatility today. Let's go TBLT. So we pull that one up here. So TBLT, there is, a decent trade that you could have put on it. There was a decent gap and go, but it was quick and, pretty much just traded sideways. But so pretty much, what I will do is I will just go through all the gappers and see which ones I think will have, a more predictable pattern or predictable outcome. So then I'll put that on my watch list, whether I just leave it up or I put them right in here. I'll just go watch list and I'll throw them in there. But for some reason, this mouse, I just got a new wireless mouse and it's glitching. I'm gonna have to plug in my wired one. But alright, so here we have the breaking out on volume. So if volume comes into a stock, it will come up and I can ride the momentum, or I can short it, whatever I think is best, and I can make the most money. So here we have the low float movers because we are low cap traders. So stocks that are moving in the market, we would just want to be notified. And then here we have new high breakouts. So when a stock hits a new high, we'll get notified and we can see if it will continue to rally. So let's hop out of the Thinkorswim platform right here. Alright, for some reason it's not working. Alright, there we go. Yes. Alright, so now, what are the best things about Trade Ideas? So pretty much you can set up a scanner 100%, to your trading style, which is awesome. It's very cool, and I honestly love it so much. But it is overwhelming, But what really helped was, I believe it's the channel bar. So let's wait for this to load up here, and you guys will see what I mean. It takes a minute because there's a lot of things. And this right here is just, this determines how fast your Wi-Fi is and how fast the scanners are going. So anything above 30 is very good. So mine just averages at like, you know, 45, 50 in there. But yeah, so what this is it pretty much just has preset scanners for you. So if you want to, you know, trade anything, if you want to have a good pre-market scanner, all you do is just click it. You click it. Maybe you double click it. Hold on. Alright, so you click it. Alright, so now this is all, you know, loaded up. These are the top stocks, you know, pre-market, and as you click on it, the chart will actually come up. So if you, you know, you know, want to look at it, it's very, very easy. You just click instead of typing it in, which is very, very cool. So, you know, this one, there was a little bit of a play, but other than that, just traded sideways pretty much. TLRY, decent moves. There's really not a whole lot of volatility in the market right now, but so this is just a very, very good pre-market scanner that is already incorporated with it. So they also have Surge, which is like stocks surging, or you know, high volume movers. You know, very, very, very cool. So you know, this is very similar to that volume scanner. Same with this, but it's a good idea to incorporate, you know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. The low floats, you guys know I have that. Swing ideas, let's click on that. I don't think I've ever clicked on it. So now this looks like it is a good swing trade scanner. So I saw one when I was making one, making a scanner here, but pretty much they just have a ton of different, I think just volume. That's a good one. Let's pull that one up. All right. So insane volume. So as you guys can see, we just had a ton of volume on these two stocks here. Let's see. So this one just had some sell off, and it does tell you where a good places to actually sell and buy them back, which is, I never knew they did that. So that's very, very cool, really. And they have Holly. I've never really clicked on it, but Holly is their, yeah, I don't pay for it, so. But Holly is their like trading software that they use. Then you can actually pull up one. I don't have any in my cloud, but I should put one in there so I can save one and then have it pull up on my laptop, which is awesome. So what do I love about Trade Ideas? I love how everything is customizable, and I love how you can, you know, pretty much put them wherever you want. If let's say you want to have them off to the side, or you can just put them all up on one monitor. Also, I love how you can, or they have those preset scanners, because I knew I was a little lost at first. But, and then right here, this is where you can create a new one. So if you would want to create a new alert window, you can just go in and actually make it to whatever you like. So that's very, very cool. Trade the Gap is a pretty good one. I saw somebody, some other people trading or using these scanners while trading. But that is it, guys. So that is my thoughts on Trade Ideas Pro, guys. If you guys want to get 15% off on your Trade Ideas Pro, all you gotta do is just go MVP 15 and you will get 15% off your order, which is really cool. So I used it, and you know, I got 15% off. Now I am going to kill it in the market, and you know, this scanner is just ridiculously good, guys. Ridiculously good. So my go-to, let's pull up my go-to for ya. So let's go load layout. Let's go Carter Farr. So mine's very, very simple. looking at some of those other ones, I think I might incorporate, I might try to incorporate some of the others. But, that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you are new. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the weekend. Take care, everyone. Peace out.